Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a photo dump in Capcut. It's so simple and you can do it in less than 5 minutes actually because we will use templates from Capcut. First, you can click on template here after you open Capcut and then search for photo dump. Okay, wait because it's loading. And then browse for the template that you like. You can scroll down for more templates, but I'm going to choose this template. You can preview, and if you like, you can click use template here. Okay, then you will have to input 6 clips or 6 photos for this template. So every template is different, guys. There are templates that use fewer photos or even more photos, but for this template, you will have to prepare 6 clips. You can select on the pictures from your gallery until 6 clips are completed. If you have less than 6 pictures, actually it's alright to click the same photos as before. After you're done choosing the 6 photos, you can click on preview on the bottom right corner of your screen over here. Alright, if it's good enough, then you can click on export on the top corner right side of your screen. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in other tutorial videos from this channel, and if you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like, leave a comment, and subscribe to this channel. See you guys!